Alright, G, I came home from a long day of work and there was a package sitting on my porch and it looked at me and it said,
I'm here.
being the awesome future dad that I am, I said, "Hi here, I'm Brian. Good to meet you." And I brought the package into the house and I opened it up and I was like, dude, there's a Roomba vacuum cleaner in here. What in the world? And so I remembered a giveaway because Antiquity is the only company on Whatnot that does these kind of giveaways. I mean, just insane giveaways all the time. Super awesome company. Definitely go check Antiquity out if you haven't already. But I just wanted to say that I opened this and I was like, okay, that's definitely an Antiquity type item. They just send great giveaways. But I was like, dude, I did not win this giveaway, so I contacted him real quick, and what I told him was,
No, this is ridiculous.
I mean, how could Garrett inconvenience me by doing this? He totally did this on purpose, and I feel very violated and targeted because he knows that he can get away with playing this mean joke on me.
Dakin's freaking out.
Garrett, how am I freaking out? You're the one that shipped this to my house. I mean, how long did it even take you to drop ship this to my address?
10 or 15 minutes.
Well, G, I guess I won't hold that against you. I just want to thank you for giving more than you receive in the Whatnot community, not just through coins, but through good times and smiles. We appreciate you and we love you. Also, Garrett.